In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview email in Kit. Before you send any email campaign, whether it's a one-time broadcast or part of an automated sequence, it's important to see exactly what your subscribers will see. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use Kit's preview tools so you can catch formatting issues, broken layouts, or awkward spacing before you hit send. Start by opening the email you want to check. This can be either a broadcast email, which goes out to a specific list or segment at a scheduled time, or a sequence email, which is part of an automated flow that sends based on triggers or time delays. From your Kit dashboard, navigate to the appropriate section, then open the specific email draft you're working on. Make sure you're in the editor view, where you can see and edit your subject line and content. Once your draft is open, look toward the top right area of the email editor toolbar. There, you'll see a preview button, usually represented by an eye icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the preview window, which shows you a live rendering of your email based on the content and design you've already set up. Think of this as a safe space to inspect layout, images, links, and text without actually sending anything yet. Inside the preview window, you'll notice controls at the top that let you switch between different device views. You can toggle between a desktop view and a mobile view. Start with desktop to see how your email will appear on a typical laptop or computer screen. Scan through the entire email from top to bottom. Check that your headings stand out, your images are aligned, and your call to action buttons look clear and clickable. Next, switch over to the mobile view using the toggle in the top bar. Since many subscribers read emails on their phones, this step is crucial. In mobile view, pay attention to how your text wraps, whether images resize correctly, and if buttons are large enough to tap easily. If anything looks cramped or misaligned, close the preview, adjust the content in the editor, and then open the preview again to confirm your changes. If you want an extra level of confidence, you can send yourself a test email directly from this preview window. Look for the option labeled Send Test Email. Click it, enter an email address you have access to, and send the test. Then open that inbox on both desktop and mobile devices and review the email as a real subscriber would. This helps you see how it behaves in an actual mail client, including how subject lines and preview text appear. By following these steps, you'll make sure your emails look polished and professional in Kit before they go out to your audience.